So you've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even blockchain, but what does it all mean?
Today we decided to investigate what Bitcoin really is and what its basic principle of operation is. Blockchain is a decentralized global code that is completely open source. The main feature is that once information is recorded in the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted in any way. Each block contains unique information, its own code or hash, and the hash of the previous block. The information in the block itself depends on the type of blockchain. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain contains information about the sender, the recipient, and the amount of completed transactions. The block also has its own hash, which is also unique, just as a person's finger. However, if there is changes made to the block, then this would cause a change to the hash and other blocks. The technology is safe, since if a block is changed in any way, the hash will change, and all subsequent blocks as a result will also change their hashes and become invalid. That is, if someone changes one of the blocks, then they'll have to change all subsequent blocks. But the use of hashes is not enough for reliable protection. Nowadays, computers are very fast and can calculate hundreds of thousands of hashes per second. And one could, for example, make a block and recalculate the subsequent block hashes to make the blockchain valid again. To avoid this, blockchain has another feature that excludes the possibility of counterfeiting. It's called proof of work, a mechanism that slows down the creation of blocks. For example, in the Bitcoin blockchain, you need to spend 10 minutes to create a new block in the chain. So if someone has forged one block, then they will need to recalculate the subsequent blocks through proof of work, which makes that task not realistic at all, really. Just imagine changing 1 million blocks. That would take 10 million minutes, which is 695 days, which is over 2 years. Now, the blockchain is used in various fields. This is mainly associated with financial technologies, personal identification storage, and protection of personal data, as well as other types of cybersecurity. These technologies are already present in the banking sector, investments, and stock exchanges. In some countries, blockchains are used to simplify the maintenance of land registries. And of course, there's a gaming industry, which does not bypass the blockchain side. Based on blockchain technologies and smart contracts, game items can be presented in the form of unique, non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The blockchain still has a lot of flaws, but as we can see, they are all consistently being improved. The technology itself is being perfected daily, involving increasing percentage of the world's population at an ever-increasing rate. And although the old system is still actively resisting by prohibiting the use of cryptocurrencies in different countries, it can still be stated that the consciousness of people is changing globally. And sooner or later, the old wall will collapse under the pressure of a new trend. We here at Crypto Chronicles are not financial advisors. However, if you're not yet associated with cryptocurrency, now's the time. Do it before it's too late. So you've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now blockchain. But how can you get in on it and make some fast money? You're going to need a wallet ASAP. Now, what's a wallet? Well, that's the topic for our next video. So hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you get notified, and we'll see you next time. And if you disliked the video, hit that thumbs down twice.